Hey guys, I have here one of my JBL Bluetooth speakers, and in this video I want to explain to you how to get rid of the startup and the shutdown sounds that all these JBL speakers are making. So there's a way to do that in the JBL Portable app, which is available for Android as well as for iPhone. So when you install this on your smartphone and you start it up, and your speaker is successfully here connected to the application, then you can just go in there and you're going to find here, when you scroll down, eventually you're going to find this mode, the setting. Yeah, let's go a little bit further. Feedback tone. So if you have this option here, if you see this option in your JBL Portable app, then just disable this feature here, the feedback tone feature, disable that. And now in this case here with our JBL Pulse 3, if we just shut it down, then you're going to immediately notice there's no more shutdown sound. So, and of course the same applies here when we start up the speaker. Press the power button again, and it powers up, the light illuminates, but we don't hear that pesky jingle that everybody hates, or many people hate, because they're really loud. And if you don't want to hear that in some cases when you're like starting up your speaker at night, then this would be really annoying. So now the sound is gone, and of course you have the option to later on enable this sound, those feedback sounds again, if you choose to. But of course, depending on how old your JBL speaker is, there may be the possibility that this feature is not available to you. But of course, yeah, here this depends on the individual speaker. Yeah, okay, so that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions, then please leave a message below.